let me take next question, 20th question. 1.8 gram CxHyOZ compound on combustion gives 2.64 grams of CO2 gas and 1.08 grams of H2O. Find percentage of oxygen in the compound. We know percentage of carbon from the Liebig's method. We can calculate percentage of carbon 12 by 44 into weight of CO2 by weight of organic compound taken into 100. So what is mass of CO2? 2.64. 12 by 44 into 2.64 by 1.8 is the mass of compound into 100. Next, percentage of hydrogen. It is 2 by 18 into weight of H2O by weight of compound into 100. This was given 1.08 grams of H2O Now what is percentage of oxygen? Percentage of oxygen is equal to 100 minus percentage of carbon plus percentage of hydrogen. So this we get approximately, we are getting 51.3% by calculation, the percentage of oxygen. Let me see 21. Question number 21. How many sp2 hybridized carbon atoms in the final product? Here if you see acetylene when passed through red hot copper tube or iron tube. Red hot iron or copper tube if you take, it is converted into benzene first. After that, the reaction of CO and HCl in presence of AlCl3. This is Guttermann's formylation process where we get aldehyde, that is benzaldehyde is obtained. Now, in this case, how many sp2 hybridized carbon atoms? Within the benzene ring, there are 6. And this carbon is 7th one. Total we have 7 sp2 hybridized carbon atoms. So correct answer for the 21 is 7. Let me take next question, 22. The separation of A and B using chromatography is given here. Calculate retarding factor of A. Means this is actually the retarding factor RF, that is distance travelled by given liquid from baseline by distance travelled by solvent from baseline. This is RF, that is retarding factor. So from this given information, from these given values, this is 2 by 5, so nearly 0. That is 0.4 is the answer for this 22. Let me take next question, 23. How many of the following do not hydrolyze? We know SiCl4, it undergoes hydrolysis. Hydrolysis of SiCl4 that proceed for formation of H4SiO4 along with HCl. Whereas TCl5 undergoes hydrolysis hydrolysis lead to formation of H3PO4 and HCl. SF6, there is no hydrolysis for this compound. Boron trifluoride, this also get hydrolyzed. Hydrolysis of boron trifluoride, which leads to formation of H3BO3 and HF. So what is the correct answer for this is SF6. How many asked? So 1 is the answer here. Let me take next question, 24. A2B3 is 60% ionized in